What's the top? So this is the bottom.
That's the bottom. Yep.
Yep. There we go. All self-explanatory. Yep. No, they're not. Okay, good. Where's that? A little bit.
You basically tack these until they go flat.
Yes, however, I would swing arm or the beam up first before you tighten it.
Okay. If it ends up.
Well, let's put a little bit on it.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, because it's going to bolt into these guys over here.
Okay.
Oh.
So you got a gap on this side, so it looks like you have to
Tap.
wiggle it.
Yes.
Wiggle it. You gotta do it.
Oh. Did it go?
Yep. Nice. And here's where our big.
We could probably send these all the way home. On the first go. We got molders in all the holes.
It's not hard. 500.
It had a set of these here.
Oh.
And do you have good access there?
Yeah.
With that jack stand?
Yes. Oh, hey, yeah. I didn't recognize your name at first. Yeah. Okay.
Is it pretty snug?
Yeah. And there's only washers for bottom, right?
Correct. There we go, the lower shot.
Okay.
So what that's going to do is the lower shot will go on and it'll support this one. And then you can set the spindle on here and it won't slide down here.
Gotcha.
So basically create some anchor. And then after you get these all wiggled in the spindle, they'll have a tendency to slide in and out as you're trying to get it on.
Yeah.
So shock spindle.
Shock holds it.
And then this spindle holds these together as quick within. Then he puts the third rod in and locks it all down.
Hey, that's good. Okay. Get hold on that.
Spacer. So, okay. If you, I would get this toppled in first, and then you can use the jack to raise it over.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
So what happens is if someone doesn't use the right spacer, they'll tighten it down. And it'll squeeze it in. If you use the right spacer, it doesn't fit. So usually you just need to pop it out a little bit, big enough to put that one in.
But it rotates.
Go ahead. It's close enough that a little fast enough to be considered, but it's not tight enough to mess up the And I just leave that. I loose until you get the bottom down.